That was actually one of the faster dispatches, believe it or not. Bam! Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Apollo's Chariot. Bollinger and Mobilar manufactured the first Hyper.
1999?
Yeah, also considered the worst Hyper by a lot of people, I guess. I'd say Silver Star is probably worse than this, to be honest. But yeah, they gotta do the overflow. If they get to overflow, that'd be crazy. Yes, here we go. First time on Apollos this year, so pretty excited. At least it's running great. Yeah, it's running really good. Oh, best part of the ride. The brake run.
That was a good ride. That was the best ride I've had in a while.
Yeah, that was definitely one of the better rides I've had, at least during the day. Oh man, night rides on this are always great. Alright guys, till next time, like, comment, subscribe, peace.